So in this video, I'll show you how to download and install GitKraken and clone your first repository. So the first step is to type in GitKraken in your browser of choice and click on Download Free Git Client. You know it's correct when it has this little icon of a squid on a black background and it has GitKraken. When you click on that page, you'll be taken to the downloads page. So it will look something like this. Do not worry about the latest release. Download the exe for your choice. So in my case, Windows. Run the exe. And it should install. Make sure you have a GitHub account already made. Click sign in, GitHub, authorize, and then authorize on GitHub. So it should say click, do you want to authorize GitKraken? Authorize it, and then click open GitKraken. Now, this is how Gits will look. Git commits, just click use these details. Click clone repo, github.com, and then the repo of your choice. So in this case, it's going to be the Studio module 2022. Select where you want to install it. I have a temporary file. I already have stuff in here, so I'm going to delete that. So now it will look something like this. This is the target. This is what the folder name will be. Leave this. You don't need to edit it. Now I'll clone it. Ignore all this stuff, and it will click open now. Once it's cloned, it will look like this. Now, if you have already installed GitKraken, you have to go on this page, click clone a repo, GitHub, where you want to clone to, and then the repository, and clone. But I'm not going to do it again for this one. So this is the current repository. So that's how you clone on GitKraken.